So let's finish first ORM. User ORM created, user ORM completed. Then next ORM we should design for transactions. For transaction entities we need to create again ORM model. So use this star UML. Yeah. Create classes for transactions. So under transactions what we have, see transaction entities, copy transactions table. This one is what transaction, right? Copy this table. Keep it somewhere for reference. Yeah. Okay. So for this booking record one class, for car for sale one class, for timesheet one class, for confirmation and cancellation one class, and for car selling one class we have to create along with the class relationships. These are table relationships, primary keys and foreign keys. So for this one exactly you need to create class relationships. So here if you see booking class, in this booking class how many parameters we have? Source ID, destination ID, user ID, vehicle ID, coupon ID, timesheet ID. Up to here these all are foreign keys. And the relationships are source relationship. One booking record, booking records, they can have any number of sources, they can have any number of destinations, right? Not for one booking, many users they can book, right? So that many users they can have many source and destinations. Means for each user we can have many destinations and many sources he may have. In one single transaction, one user, many sources. Is it possible one user, many sources? One user, one source? One user, one destination. So one to one is enough? But many users they can book, right? Then the relationship is many to many. One user, many. One user can have many sources. One user, one source. One user, one destination. Again the same user if you try to register for the same place. Then if you take it as a foreign key, one-to-one relationship, what in case of one-to-one what you should do? That foreign key should become unique constraint, right? So only one time if you allow here, then what happens? Again if whenever you try to register, it will not allow that user to register. So then foreign key any number of times he need to enter. Means that same source and destination any number of users they can have. Getting? So at a time multiple users they can select multiple sources and multiple destinations. So then here the relationship is many to many. One user he can have in one booking, one source, one destination. Again here the relationship is one to many. One to one only, right? So which relationship I need to take here? In one booking, one source, one destination. For many bookings, if I take one to one, the problem is what, the same source ID and destination ID again it will not allow. So then it is not one to one. Booking ID is different, right? Then the relationship here you can take one to many. One to one is not suitable. If it is a many to many, one user can have one source, one destination only, right? Are you getting? One user need to select one source and one destination. Many users they can have same source and destination, right? So then the relationship many to one. If I take many to one relationship, then who need to contain that many? Booking record or source? Under booking record, foreign key we need to enter. So then, as per ORM, who need to contain that multiple set? Child should contain. Getting? In ORM, employee departments. Relationship is one employee, many employees, many employees, one department. So the department ID where we should take as a foreign key? Under employees. In employees we need to take, instead of taking employee ID under department ID we need to take under employees. So here the relationship between booking record and source and destinations is again many to one. One is source and destination table and many is booking record. So where the association object we need to hold? Under booking record we can hold, as well as under source and destination also we can hold. From source and destination it will become one to many. From here it will become many to one. Getting? So here you need to take class use class booking record class, yeah, default public access we have, and the properties attributes we have here. Booking ID first, booking ID private field, the next field source ID, but here IDs we should not take. There this is a foreign key, there it is foreign key, so that we have taken, but here source and destination both are location only. Source and destinations we are storing into location only, location table, so the table is only one. So for source and destination class also should be location only. Location or place? We named it as place, I thought. Place. We have location table. Location. So I named it place here, but the table name will be given location. Yeah, you can use place or location. Place or location. Location table. Location bean we should create. That location bean reference you need to take. So how many he have? One booking should have only one booking. Many bookings they can have same location. Getting? So from here it is 1 to, from here 1 to 1 only. One booking should contain one source or one destination. Many bookings they can have same source, same destinations. So from this side it is 1 to many. From this side it is many to 1. In case of from many source to one source, if you want to provide relationship, then you have to take single entity or a set of entities. Many bookings they can have single source, single destination. One booking, one source, one destination only, right? So take simple location reference. Location, how many references we need to take? Location data type with the property source. Same location data type destination. Same location class reference only we should take. Location class reference. Yeah. And user ID, vehicle ID. One booking should contain again user ID we have here, user ID we have, vehicle ID we have, coupon ID we have. One user can have any number of bookings, right? Today I can do one booking, tomorrow I can do one booking, I can do any number of bookings. So from this side booking record can contain employees any number of times. So from this side it is 1 to 1 booking should contain one user. Okay, again use case. Here many bookings they can have same user. Many bookings they can have same user. One user should contain, one booking should contain one user. So the relationship again 1 to many. Vehicles, same vehicle we can book any number of times. So here also many bookings they can have same vehicle, right? Getting actual use case at a time it is not possible. Getting at a time same vehicle multiple users they can't. But after one user, one more user also he can use, right? So that's why we have to place tags, flag values. If already user booked, that vehicle you should not show. If they release, means if they return, then we have to show in cart. Getting? So again here the relationship is many to one. Coupon IDs, same ID we can use any number of times. Again many to one only. Yeah, use many to one relationship. For all these many to one. So just a single object references are enough. Single references are enough. One more attribute. User, not user ID, user reference. User object only you need to take, user class object. User class association you required here. At a time one booking record should hold only one user. Many times many booking records they can have same user. One more attribute. Vehicle. We have car, right? Car. And one more. Coupon. CU. Coupon is fine, right? C. Okay. Coupon. And timesheet ID. So the same timesheet. The same timesheet for one more booking. Can we use? Same timesheet for. Here this use case is different again. Timesheet. Same timings, same from time, same to time, same from date, same to date, same place, source, same destination place. One more user also can have, right? At a time I can book 2 cars. Getting? One user myself and one more user also can book, right? At the same the same time if they use, then yeah, we understand here. Same time if I enter, then the relationship is one booking can have one time. In case multiple users if they book with multiple times, each booking it have separate time. Each booking it have one separate time, right? Getting? And again one booking, more booking, one or more bookings they can have same time also in some cases. Getting? So here which relationship I need to take? Many bookings they can have one time, and sometimes one booking may contains one time only. Getting? In case at the same time 10 users if they reserve, again and again have I need to store that data in table? As per our use case, for one booking one time if you require, for every user, for every booking we need to store timesheet record also. But the same timesheet if you want to use for other bookings also. Getting? While entering logger book, at the same time multiple users if they come to class, if they enter loggings, have you need to enter same time or not? We have to enter if it is a book. Under database level, is it mandatory? Same ID reference I can use, right? For multiple bookings I can use same reference ID. So for multiple users if you want to use same reference ID, then bookings need to have relationship with timesheet one to many. From here Many bookings they can have same time. Will that relationship, will it accept one to one? It will accept, right? So many to one can have one to one also. It can have many to one also. Getting? If we allow to insert multiple, you can insert multiple, or else you can insert one. It is your wish. Getting? One user, one person can have many vehicles. It is your wish. You can buy one vehicle or many vehicles. It is your wish. It depends on your wealth, right? So here booking and timesheet ID, you can take many to one. These all are many to one relationship. Location is many to one. I mean, from booking side it is many to one. Location source is many to one. Location destination is many to one. Location, I mean, user is many to one. Car is many to one. Timesheet also many to one. Getting? And yeah, completed. Date of journey, distance, number of passengers, and driver flag. These are simple data types. Simple data types. Date of journey. Distance, number of passengers, driver flag. He is required driver or not? Driver flag. Yeah, here you need to add setters and getters. Okay, you need to add setters and getters here. Okay, one more class. Car for sale record. Then this class it is having car sale ID. Oh. Car sale ID and date of added, location, branch location it is not the source and destination locations. Okay, branch location. So try to give simple parameter, not complex parameter. Simple parameter, string only we need to enter here. Getting? Branch location you need to enter. And selling price, and speedometer reading. Car type. Again car type. Car type preferences we have. Car type table we have, right? From there you can use that car type. From vehicles you can find vehicle type or car type. Here we have car type, so you can take this vehicle type reference also there. Or else what you should do, you need to enter the name while putting into sale. So which one is preferable, using that existing type, or else will you enter a name here again? While putting for its sale, you need to enter that car type. Is it luxury car or SUV car? So you can take name, or else you can take that reference. Car type. To take car type here, it should be complex type. Car type. You can find a difference here. While using complex types, that starting character I am using here, capital C, class names. For simple parameters, small characters we are taking. Okay, then easily you can find which is complex type, which is simple type. Okay, and what we required? Car ID. Yeah. What we used to thought, if you enter car ID, then car type not required. Through car ID you can find, right? If you know the car, then that car type easily we can find. So instead of using here car type, use directly car. Okay, and one more, confirmation records. Confirmation records. Confirmation record ID. Confirmation record ID. Booking ID, payment ID, confirmed or cancelled. Booking ID means it should have relationship with booking. Booking record. Booking record class relationship you need to contact. So which relationship? Confirmation or cancellation can do only one time for one booking. For one booking, one confirmation or one cancellation. Again the same confirmation or cancellation, it is not possible for the same booking, right? Getting? Already if you cancel the booking, then again can you able to cancel? No. Can you able to confirm? Once if you cancel, it will over. Again it will place into pool. Okay, the relationship is again one to one. In case of one to one, who need to hold? Booking will happens first or confirmation will happens first? Booking will happens. So you can keep that booking reference inside confirmation. Booking class reference, one to one relationship right here, one to one. In case of one to one under ORM, how to maintain? Voter voting. Entities relationship is one to one relationship. How to maintain under table level one to one relationship? One to one. How to map one to one? We know how to map through mapping files, but how to establish a relationship between tables? ORM will generate tables, right? So the tables internally what it will contain? Same primary key of parent table it will contain in child table also. That one we can make it by making foreign key as a unique constraint. A foreign key with unique constraint or else a primary key as a primary key. We can establish one to one relationship. So this booking record ID either I need to maintain for confirmation or cancellation. The same ID I should use here. Or else that booking record table primary key I need to use here as a foreign key, as well as that foreign key should be unique constraint. And confirmation and cancellation booking ID is over. Payment only? Payment also? One only, right? One to one. On confirmation or cancellation it can have one payment. The same payment ID we can't able use multiple times, right? So payment, payment will come under payments here. Attribute payment. And what we required? Confirmed or cancelled. Again a flag value. Confirmed or cancelled flag value required here. Confirmed or cancelled. Or else confirmation flag. Okay. The next timesheet. Add attributes for timesheet. Timesheet ID, private, from time to time, from date to date. from time to time. These are simple data types, right? Time, date data type, these all are simple data types, not complex. From time to time, from date to date. Yeah, that's it. And the relationship between booking and timesheet? Many to one. One booking can have one timesheet. Many bookings, same timesheet. And each booking it can have different timesheet. Okay. Anyways, it is many to one. Many bookings can have one timesheet. One booking should have only one timesheet. One more booking also it can have same timesheet. So many to one. Many to one can be one to one also. It's a type of, you can make it one to one, but table will not restrict. You can restrict. Yeah. And we have one more, car selling record. Car selling record, car selling ID, user ID, user ID in the sense user reference, which user brought that car, user, again user reference, user can buy any number of cars. So one car it can have how many buyers? One buyer. So from car selling record side, the relationship is what with user? Car selling can have one user, same user again. So many to one. Payment ID means payment table reference. One car selling record should contain payment ID. One payment. Same payment ID should not repeat again. So the relationship is one to one. Payment relationship is one to one again. We are not giving that installment features here. Okay, that one is again it is different module. Installment management system we need to make. Okay, payment. Selling date, date of selling, date of sell. Date of sale and car selling ID means this car relationship. So this car need to have relationship with this one. Which relationship? 1 to 1. One car selling record need to contain one car selling record. Which one is? It is generalization or dependency? Association. Association is 1 to 1 association. This association type is 1 to 1. stereotype 1 to 1, one to many, yeah. Keep it into documentation. Transaction models. Transaction models completed. I think we have two more, right? Yeah. Transaction models, yeah, transaction models completed. The next thing is, these are payment types.